Hi, this is Thomas Robin with the Liv Realty Team at RE/MAX Results. Today we're going to talk about how to use sustainability to boost your home's value. If you're thinking of selling your home, think sustainability. A new survey by the National Association of Realtors just came out and it made some remarkable points. For example, 61% of realtors said clients are interested in sustainability. Also, a whopping 71% of realtors said energy efficiency is valuable in helping sell a home. So if you're interested in sustainability and you want to sell your home for a higher price, here are projects to consider. Number 1, energy efficient appliances. Energy Star certified appliances such as fridges, washing machines, and clothes dryers can be as much as 40% more water efficient and 25% more energy efficient than standard models. Those numbers go way up if you compare new energy efficient appliances with models that are more than a few years old. Other gadgets throughout the house might also warrant an update. For example, if you have an old thermostat or an inefficient water heater, then smart new alternatives such as Nest thermostat or solar water heaters might also be worth a look. Number 2, solar panels. Speaking of solar, homes with solar panels sell 20% faster according to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. What's more, they sell for a whopping 17% more than comparable homes without solar. And with a range of state and federal incentives still in place, solar can be a great way to make your home more green and attractive at the same time. Number 3, windows, doors, and siding. Renovated windows, doors, and siding typically recoup about 80% of their cost in terms of higher home value. However, a full suite of energy-efficient windows, doors, and siding might be worth even more in the current sustainability-minded market. Plus, these projects increase your home's curb appeal, making it more likely your home will get more interest from potential buyers. Now, any of these projects can potentially add a lot of value to your home. I'm Tom with the Liv Realty Team at RE/MAX Results. Thanks for watching.